career, my suggestion is that you just focus on 3 E's. One is your empower, excel, and excellence. Means that first you judge yourself, be honest, make your goal, that is smart goal, क्या करना है, achievable goal होना चाहिए, and that defined by and identified by yourself only. Nobody is going to help you. ठीक है, आप सबकी बातें सुनो, सबकी सजेशन सुनो, बट करो वही जो आपका दिल बोलता है. आपने पिक्चर देखा हो 3 Idiot का, सिंपल सजेशन इज दैट कि आप सबकी सजेशन लो, लेकिन वही करो जो आपको इंटरेस्ट. अदरवाइज क्या होगा कि मेरा बाजू वाला इंजीनियर है, मेरा बाजू वाला सीए है, पापा ये बोलते हैं, कल को आपको इंटरेस्ट नहीं आएगा. फर्स्ट थिंग. सेकेंड इज दैट जो आपने डिसाइड किया है, यू हैव टू एक्सेल दैट पर्टिकुलर डेस्टिनेशन. जो आपको जाना है कि हमको उसके लिए क्या करना है, यू आइडेंटिफाई कौन सी स्किल बेस्ड कोर्सेज करनी है, किससे सजेशन लेना है, क्या आइडेंटिफाई करना है, एक्सेल. एंड देन एक्सीलेंस इज दैट आप उसके लिए कैसे आपको एडजस्टमेंट करते हो, मीन बी फ्लेक्सिबल इन टर्म्स ऑफ एडजस्टमेंट. ठीक है, कि हमको करने के लिए थोड़ा बहुत चैलेंजेस आएंगे, फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी आएगी, वो करना है. सो एमबीए जो प्रोग्राम है, अगर आप मेरे से पूछते हो, इट इज नॉट अ प्रोग्राम, नॉट अ कोर्स और एनीथिंग, इट इज जस्ट अ ट्रेनिंग institute or a training module to enter in the corporate world. ये 2 साल जैसे मिलिट्री की ट्रेनिंग होती है वैसे ट्रेनिंग होती है, and you have to take it as that way. ये आपका जनरल बीकॉम, बीए, बीएससी, बीटेक जैसा एमटेक ऐसा नहीं है, बिकॉज इट्स अ कॉम्पिटिटिव वर्ल्ड. जितना आप प्रैक्टिकल रहेंगे उतना आपको अच्छा जॉब मिलेगा, अच्छा आपका करियर. दैट इज माई सजेशन.
पहले आपको एक अपनी इकोसिस्टम डेवलप करनी है. इकोसिस्टम क्या है? मेरे मेंटर्स हैं. मेंटर्स कौन है? स्टार्टिंग में मेरे टीचर्स, कॉलेज के टीचर्स, मेरे सीनियर्स जो सेकेंड ईयर में मेरे से 1 साल आगे, 2 साल आगे है, प्लेस्ड ऑलरेडी है. थर्ड, मेरे पेरेंट्स, मेरे फैमिली मेंबर्स में से जो भी इंडस्ट्री में काम कर रहे हैं. सो डेवलप योर मेंटर्स, नंबर 1. सेकंड, डेवलप योर नेटवर्क. See, this network only helps all of us, and after 10 years of experience, network only will help you to jump from one company to another company. So situations, whatever situations you'll be facing, this ecosystem will help you to survive, and this ecosystem will help you to grow. But this ecosystem, as madam has very correctly said, you only have to develop. तो networking करो, mentors बनाओ, और friends, colleagues, seniors ऐसे होने चाहिए जो आपको हर टाइम में आपको गाइडेंस देंगे. बट आपको अपने दिमाग से उसमें से करेक्ट गाइडेंस को चूज करना है और आगे सीखना.
Whatever the experience you have, you will still start as a junior, but MBA will help you to accelerate, your career, and you will become senior executive quite with speed and this thing. So MBA will help that. So MBA doesn't mean that you will straight away land in a senior position. Clear?
So the process will be faster.
Yes.
Right.
It will help you to accelerate your career path.
और MBA is not a course जहाँ पे सडनली आप ये सोचते हैं कि बस MBA किया और CEO मिल गया. ये बहुत धीरे धीरे बहुत प्रोसेस की चीज़ है. बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं which will help you maybe 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years down the line of your career. Not immediately, right, professors?
Definitely.
So ये एक ऐसा
completing my PG diploma in specialization human resource, and my first job was management training, and the task that was assigned to me was to open 175 schools across the country, and I started doing it. It was a job for me in the beginning. As we continue to work upon, then came the next aspect. In 1995, 3 years we do graduation program, BBA 3 years, अब तो 4 साल का हो रहा, हमारे टाइम पे 3 साल का ही था. So when I completed 3 years, then I graduated from school opening to college opening. Okay? And then slowly and steadily, when we have made it an habit, it has become my passion to the highest level. Now, I am not opening schools or colleges, I am producing the managers and CEOs who are going to be effectively opening those schools and college. Okay, this is one aspect. So passion is something. I am going to take the example that was given. Wake up, wake fit, sleep well. Passion. जब आप सो रहे हो, उठ के काम करने के लिए जो लेके चला जाए, वो passion है.
right, sir.
It's a nice question. See, there is always something which is practical. The other side of the Karatu is practice. So principle and practice. Principle what you read, okay? Practice is what you practice, what you think. The present scenario, which is correctly closer to principle, can be practiced. It can never be the same. What you read can never be practiced, but you have to strike a closer, nearest one which is applicable to this side. So you have to strike a balance between principle and practice. So you have to decide. That is on the situation. It is never taught in any of the B schools or graduation or anyone. It is only comes by your own experience of life and the value which is given to you by your parents or teachers. It's all on the spot decision. Today if I decide I would take a ball, I would take a seat मैं 2x पे भी नहीं बोल सकती और जोर से भी नहीं बोलना. So I think you are able to understand that it has to be taken by you. None of the B schools will teach you what you have to do in after 20 years or 30 years or after 10 years. It has to be your own experience and your own passion which is put into that task which comes to you. I hope I'm able to.
क्वेश्चन सवाल मिल गया आपको?
Can I add one point here? Just one point.
Sir.
If you have passion, you don't have plan B. Because if you have plan B, you are not enough passionate. Okay. For rest of the people, please choose a path which suits your skill set.
Right. Yes, we'll take up a question.
I did my MBA, which was in HR. I was always passionate to continue my journey in HR. But after working for 4 years in corporate, I realized कि मुझे foreign language सीखनी चाहिए. No one taught me this. ना मेरे पापा ने बताया ना मम्मी ने. I learned French language. I did my B2 in French. I went to France and then I did my MA in French. And my most of the career is in the French. So ये कभी भी मेरा decided नहीं था कि मैं French में आगे बढ़ूँगा. But over a period of time, following my passion, I done this and fortunately आज मेरा वो profession बन चुका है. So along with the HR, training students on interviews, I also teach students French language.
Just in promotion and reaching next level, you will have issues, right? So it is a competitive era. So in this competitive era, the experience and degree, the combination of both is required. So you must target your degree first, then definitely work in the corporate. If you have an experience plus degree, definitely you will get a very good opportunity and then you can move further.
Yes.
So
And I'm saying that you will get a package of 10 years. Then she'll ask me, sir, what will I get? What am I getting? I already have that package. So to answer this, I can give you a formula which basically defines your earning capabilities. See, whatever you can earn today or whatever you are earning today, with your postgraduate degree, which is your MD or PGDM, you should multiply it by 2.5 times. If you can do it, that is what is there. And in fact, the multiplication is more at times with these days. Multiplication. But I can tell you.
So the business analytic course you will do, if you go in a sales and marketing role, that learning outcome, the skill set you will build will only aid you to perform better. And you look at all the CEOs, at least all the top CEOs, everybody has a sales background. Okay, so do not see business analytics and sales and marketing as a two separate thing.
Right. Yes, some other would like to.
Everything, but on a lighter sense, this is the last honeymoon period of yours because, my dear friends, you're going to be just, you're going to be, life is going to be miserable. In fact, you're MB, after that you work, so on, so. So what do you do? Just read, enjoy your days. Once in a while, please read newspaper, update yourself, current affairs, that's all. Just enjoy your days. Maybe I'm not discounting what they said. If you can do that, fantastic. But maybe the next 6 months, 3 months, 4 months, whatsoever, enjoy, visit all your friends, network with people, have a blast. That's all.
I think you should join the gym. Yeah, a healthy mind stays in a healthy body. So I think that's what we're going to need once you have a very creative mind, which is mostly when I say that लोग इतनी मेहनत कर लेते हैं, they spend too much time during their peak जवानी and then they spend all the money in the hospitals. So please have a very healthy lifestyle. Don't spend it just on eating. But I think just join a sport or join the gym. Just enjoy. You'll make a nice circle there also. But जाते मैं बस एक मेरे को बड़ा छोटा सा शेर याद आ रहा है राहत इंदौरी के शेर में. तुम्हें पता है शेर से पहले क्या कहते हैं? तो कहो ना कि जितेंद्र जी शेर ऐसे है कि मंजिल तो मिल ही जाएगी भटक कर ही सही. वाह प्लीज लीव इंदौर माय फ्रेंड। अब इस पे वाह वाह बोलना होता है, ओके? मंजिल तो मिल ही जाएगी भटक कर ही सही, मंजिल तो मिल ही जाएगी भटक कर ही सही, गुमराह तो वो है जो घर से निकले ही नहीं।